data, big data, data lakes, data as a service, data breaches. Not even a week passes by without mentioning a headline called data. Certainly, all enterprises are investing aggressively in harnessing the power of data as an asset to drive strategic insights, automate complex processes, and to personalize customer experiences. Today, enterprises are striving to provide self-service data access to the business analyst through a secure environment where they can find, understand, and provision data required for the business needs. With all this, concepts like data marketplace has proliferated, and every enterprise is strategizing to put a right execution strategy in building the data markets platform. Drawing an analogy on e-commerce, data marketplace is a place where users go to find and provision the data sets they need. While this sounds pretty simple and intuitive, isn't it? In reality, making it work needs major overhaul of a common data management processes and platforms, as users doesn't know where to find right data and how to create meaningful insights from it. Let's talk about the top 3 data best practices which every enterprise must adopt while they start building the data marketplace platforms. First, data cataloging. Instead of mapping data to a comprehensive enterprise data model, which takes an enormous amount of engineering before users can access it, the data is cataloged along the path from raw data to ready data. And this catalog describes data quality, completeness, business definitions, and how this data has been used to help users find and provision the data sets they need. Second, data curating. The marketplace replaces the painstaking effort of creating a single source of truth through an agile, on-demand approach of improvising data incrementally. The data curator sits between the data consumers, which are analysts and data scientists who use tools like Tableau, Python to draw meaningful correlations about data, and data engineers who move and transform the data from one system to another using scripting languages like Spark, Hive, MapReduce. To be successful, data curator must understand the meaning of the data and what technologies are applied to the data, as they are responsible for understanding the type of analysis that needs to be performed by different people within the organization, and what it takes to move the data from raw state to a ready state, so that over time clean views of data are transformed into a trusted views of data to be shared across the enterprise. Third, data crowdsourcing, which is equivalent to social network for data. Every stakeholder in the marketplace, data producers, stewards, and data consumers, improvise the data every time they use. Business users note the data quality and consistency gaps. Stewards establish common definitions and go to data market sets. And source system experts identify the sensitive data that needs protection. All the stakeholders continuously enrich the data marketplace catalog and coordinate with each other as data sources evolve and new business requirements emerge. Lastly, as an enterprise, if you are successful in building the right data marketplace strategy for your enterprise, the benefits you can see is in form of threefold. First, analysis time reduced from months to days. Second, data preparation cost almost reduces to half. Third, to write data insights and analysis, millions of dollars in new business opportunities. So the question to retrospect is your enterprise investing rightly in building the data marketplace platform?